Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to create a TikTok in Canva. So first, head over to Upload here. Click on Upload Files. Choose the video that you want to make as a TikTok. Now click on Add to Uploads after the file loads successfully. Now we'll be redirected to a Canva editing page so we can edit our TikTok here. So now you just cannot click on Open our TikTok here. Open an editor now. Here you can also add some text or add some other elements here. For example, we're going to add a text. Here, for example, text heading. So you get the idea, guys. You can choose to add any elements you like in the canvas, and let's add a textbook, for example, TikTok, make it big. TikTok guide, for example. So here it is. You can also change text color, make it bold, make it change text font, etc. Effects, you can also add animation. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.